Can we
Roar.
can we let our little knives do all the talking?
What do you fucking mean by that, dude? I've heard you say that like 4 times.
Oh, I wouldn't say anything to him, Chris. I'd let my little knife do all the talking.
Gage kept saying it.
I walk Hickory Dickory Dot on the stage.
What? That we're playing with LARP monster.
Out of my way!
Shut up, Gage. Oh my goodness.
Damn.
Yeah, get out of here. Leave the game, boys. Yeah, just leave. Did you say run, Diddy Void, run? I'm just gonna let my Diddy Void do all the talking.
Oh,
Yeah.
You made yourself real proud with that one, huh?
Oh. Oh, I have 2 chicken strips left for the food truck.
You're such a fucking, like, bulging beast. Like, I fucking hated it.
Andrew, what would you do if you died? Okay.
In real life?
And at your funeral, everyone was just saying, like, falling on my knees at Walmart right now.
No,
That'd
LARP
be
Monster's dead.
He's out in mid. Fuck, I just got clapped.
You're my
You
big
are
barbecue
not.
sauce.
You are not using your controller with barbecue sauce on your hand.
Yes, he is. Obviously.
Naturally.
He's a
Well, you don't
barbecue
eat with
man.
your pinky finger. You don't eat with your pinky finger, do you?
Watch out, guys. We got 1 console player squad.
Diddy
Zim,
Void.
Zim, Zim.
Damn.
Diddy
Damn.
Voids versus Alpha Chuds. Aiden, are you ready to be a true Diddy Void?
We're Diddy
You
Void?
named them Diddy Voids.
Don't say it
Oh,
out loud.
that-
Don't say
Well,
it
no,
out
but
that's-
like, click on something.
That's fair.
Oh, that was really
My
quick.
controller, my controller died, guys. Give me a second.
You're joking.
One on 4 remaining.
The other one went downstairs.
Sweet. Whatever. I'm ready to rain. I'm just ready. Duncan, can you start controlling me like an elite grunt relationship?
I don't know how to.
Just use me like a tool. They thought they had that in the bag.
Watch out. I have my camera on that.
I don't know. I was just hearing little pingles
Good
of
shot.
guns.
No way.
I got barbecue sauce all over my face right now. All over my face. Good job, guys. You beat a handicapped and a drunk. Hey,
Oh my goodness.
can we play unranked though?
Yeah, no, we're playing on ranked. We're playing on ranked.
Why does Jaeger taste so like that, guys? Question.
Can I get an invite?
Well, he's autistic.
What?
Wrong Jaeger,
You're
man.
asking about Jaeger from Siege? He has autism.
Why does Jaeger
why does he
bomb taste like that?
Oh.
Yeah, because he's autistic. Okay, Gage, that's horrible. Lucas, we just ran 2v2s on Siege.
Yes,
Whatever
I
it was
heard.
drone phase, I started chugging.
That's
Are
So
you serious?
We only played 2 games, and once we got to the second game, I was kind of like slumping over my chair.
So no, what? I was like, no, because the first game I was just like, oh fuck, these guys put up a fight. Let's run this back.
The first
second
game,
I was
me and
just like,
Aiden won
this-
4-2, and the second game we lost 0-4.
so.
No, man, fucking,
Like-
Trump is a prophet blessed by God. So God's gonna come down, give the powers of the
yeah.
holy. See-
Oh yeah, I forgot Donald Trump was blessed by God.
Donald
He
Trump.
was blessed by Netanyahu.
How come the more that I take, the more that my stomach hurts? I thought this was a painkiller. Be forget me not.
Forget Me Not? Is that the X-Men?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, I kind of forgot about him.
Definitely.
You see what I did there? You get the joke?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh,
Oh,
Real,
You know what, Lucas? I don't want to
what
hear
did you
from
call them? Fucking abunas or some shit instead
Siege
of
calls
Call
them
them an
Bunas.
inbred.
yeah, okay. Boona is like a type of Indian dish. You got chicken boona, lamb boona, prawn boona,
crazy
and
word.
like, but like all together they're just known as boonas.
Yeah, you're not supposed to. You're not supposed to lock your knees when you jump, buddy.
They weren't. They were loose.
Why would they buckle then?
not,
Cause
not as loose as you.
Because I have weak... What does that mean? Aiden, you're my little feminist twink, so... I think the only kill I got was killing Andrew with a maestro.
That, Duncan, when I tell you that pissed me off so bad.
I can imagine. Oh yeah, I have thorn bombs to place.
Oh, let's play a cap can and thorn. It's gonna be fucking.
Oh yeah. They're fucking right there, dude.
My heart started to race a little.
You guys banned Maestro both games.
Yes,
And-
because it was fucking annoying.
Oh. I didn't even know that was an
Sorry.
enemy.
Fuck.
That was really quick.
Your like your pectoral should be sore from your fists hitting them.
I wish I could like rewind time so I could just demolish my entire room just for the bit.
Go get him, Andrew. Go get him, Cade.
Take one.
That was fucking retarded.
I'm throwing a grenade in.
Oh fuck! They got the glass. Remember glass.
Yeah, be careful of that glass. Just looking through the smoke, it hit
Nice,
me.
Lucas. Thank you.
Good shit, Lucas.
Fuck. W? You got this, bro. I think they're in the room to your left. Yes.
Still there.
Yep.
There's glass.
You
No,
can
it's
see me
not
through the
glass.
smoke. No,
There's
it's
not
Yeah,
glass.
they're in the smoke. They're in
who
the
the hell
smoke.
is that?
Zan, something like
I
that.
don't
maybe?
see them.
Raru?
It's
Oh,
not-
they're on
I
our
don't
now.
make cams anymore.
Oh, Duncan, just hold that ankle. Don't.
Honestly, you're good if you just hold. Like just stay hidden.
Attaboy!
Yeah, okay.
Damn.
Okay.
What are you saying?
We need to start watching Rakai when we hang out.
No, Lucas.
What's
no.
wrong with you?
Just put him on in the background.
Grok,
Oh, wait.
generate videos with Grok image.
He's on the feeder. Yeah.
They
Nice.
Oh!
Nice, dude.
Nice, dude.
Yeah, that guy.
Yeah, you made a book and he made a movie, I think, too.
Shut up, Void.
Yeah, I'll make you my little
Heyo!
plaything.
That's oh, Andrew. I was waiting for you to say that.
You've always been my little plaything.
I'm gonna let my little eunuch do all the talking.
It sounded like you're talking about your son or something.
I'm gonna let my
Gage,
little
you gotta
Chinese
lock in.
unit
Aiden
do
has
it.
more kills than you, bro.
Uh-oh.
Just
How's
fine.
all my
fine.
fuse round?
Gage is 1 to
it's
5.
honest, it's hard. It's hard for me to do bad as fuse.
Nice.
Good shit.
Nice.
Aiden, get out of the fucking way!
Who just threw an impact?
Me.
I wanna start doing. I wanna learn how to use a crock pot.
Oh,
Yeah,
that
you wanna
sounds
make
awesome.
the gruel?
We should all have a cookout with a crock pot.
Yeah, add a block.
Upstairs,
It's
right?
like just like a hodgepodge of random stuff.
Basement.
Okay, guys, we're on the same site. Are you guys ready? Are you guys excited?
No,
Yeah.
not really, but I'm kind of excited, I guess.
I swear to God, Lucas, I'll fucking kill you if you say another word.
Shut up, Gage.
No, you know Gage is enjoying his time.
No, he's not lying. That's the funny thing.
It's a striker and an Iona.
I can expand on that, but I want to inform you guys later. I could do
You're
something.
crazy.
Damn, bro. Did I?
That was crazy, bro.
How many kills did you guys get that round?
0.
0, I think. Yeah. Might have ace, buddy.
I might have aced that.
Leave the match. Yeah, that's what I thought.
You're not a part of the Siege Rainbow Rangers anymore.
No, don't worry, boys. Tomorrow night I'll be in better shape.
There's one console player in the squad. I wonder who that is.
I don't know.
They have Clash. Oh,
And Capcan and Ella.
And Striker.
Hey, what's up, man? He can electrocute me?
Whoa! Where'd
I
you hit
splashed
from?
myself.
He's on stairs. He's on stairs. Vigil. On stairs.
What? Are you serious? Yeah. I'm done.
nice.
Lucas, your name is Babo.
And you're
Andrew,
my
you're
Bobo.
Queef Queen.
Queequee?
Queef Queen.
Ah.
And Duncan, you're my Bora Bora.
Borbor?
Bora Bora.
I'm Borbor.